All right. All right, everybody. Good evening. Oh, snap. Welcome back to the channels. Another dual live stream, too, y'all. We're live on TikTok over here, and we're live on YouTube up here. Shout out to YouTube. Shout out to TikTok. Y'all, thank you for popping in. Oh, my goodness. Once again, welcome. My name's Patrick. Another true crime live stream. And we've got the audio from today in the Lori Vallow trial. Specifically, we have a detective, one of the detectives from Hawaii, Colin Nesbitt, testifying in Lori Vallow's case. And, y'all, I also found audio, and it's short. It's only like 16 minutes, but it was Chad Daybell. They had some kind of a proceeding today, probably discussing when they were actually going to send him to trial. So I haven't even listened to it yet. So I don't even know what it's going to say, but I've got that up ready to go as well. But y'all, if you're brand new here, take a second, hit that follow button. If you're joining on TikTok, y'all, there's already almost 300 of you on TikTok. Shout out to y'all. Take a second, hit that follow button, especially if you're into true crime. My name's Patrick, and I do true crime live streams like this every single day. We've been pretty heavy on the Lori Vallow case because, well, she's actually on trial right now. So we got the audio from today. One of the detectives from Hawaii, his name's Colin Nesbitt. We're going to jump into that here in a second. Y'all, real quick, too, tap the screen like crazy. Let's go for 25K on the likes over here on TikTok. And y'all, can we get 100 TikTok logos real quick? If you like the channel, help support it, y'all. Hit me with those TikTok logos. But keep in mind, y'all, you don't have to send the gifts. But I do appreciate it. Thank you so much for that. And make sure you guys hit that follow button. Now there's over 700 people watching on TikTok. Shout out to y'all. YouTube, don't worry, y'all. And we're also live streaming on YouTube. YouTube, shout out to y'all. Good to see you guys. Make sure you hit that. You hit the like button on YouTube and subscribe button. And on TikTok, you hit the follow button. All right, so let's jump in and listen to the testimony from today. Again, y'all, we're listening to the Lori Vallow audio. Let's go.
All right, before we commence with testimony, let me just inquire of the witness officer. Have you,
Elizabeth, thank you.
Reviewed in any way any of the trial testimony in this case, including reading it or?
And y'all, audio check, TikTok, YouTube. Give me a thumbs up in the chat if you can hear everything.
No, sir, I have not.
Okay. As you testify, please talk directly into that microphone. Use verbal responses to any questions asked, and please avoid talking at the same time as anyone questioning you so we keep a clear record. With that in mind, Ms. Smith, you can inquire on direct.
Thank you, Judge. Good morning.
Good morning.
Can you introduce yourself to the ladies and gentlemen of the jury and spell your last name for them, please?
My name's Colin Nesbitt, and it's spelled Nesbitt.
Sir, how are you employed?
I'm employed with the County of Kauai Police Department in Hawaii.
Cool. Police detective in Hawaii. Dang. Shout out. Y'all, thank you so much. Nicole, thank you. Pink Shadow, thank you. Stephanie, thank you. Did we just... Oh, we're halfway to that goal already. Y'all are incredible. And Ren, I'm drinking an iced coffee. Shout out to iced coffee. Delicious. Y'all, take a second. Let's hit that TikTok logo goal real quick. And Galaxy Gang, where you guys at? Check in. All right, so let's jump back in. Again, y'all, we're listening to the audio from today's proceedings in the Lori Vallow case. And this is Detective Colin Nesbitt.
How long have you been a police department in Kauai, Hawaii?
16 years.
What is your current position?
I'm a detective with the Major Crimes Section.
And how long have you been a detective in the Major Crime Section?
4 years.
And prior to that, what was your role?
Prior to that, I was a detective in the Property Crime Section for 2 years, and then I was in Narcotics Section for 1.5 years.
And what sort of training have you had as a police officer in Kauai?
I've had the basic academy training. That's approximately 5 months long. And then I've had additional training, approximately about 400 hours. Approximately 200 of that would have been in major crimes such as sex assaults, homicides, death investigations, and robberies.
And so, in your role as a major crimes detective, did you have occasion to work and have contact with Lori Vallow?
Yes, I did.
What was your contact with Lori? What was your first contact with Lori Vallow?
My first contact with Lori Vallow was January 25th, 2020.
Okay. What caused you to come in contact with Lori Vallow in January of 2020?
I was assisting members from the Rexburg Police Department to serve a legal document.
Okay. And how was it that you came to be a part of assisting Rexburg, Idaho police officers in serving legal documents on Lori Vallow?
Oh, well, they all flew over to Kauai for whatever their investigation was into the matter. And then we had an operational briefing, and they asked for assistance to help locate and serve that document.
Okay.
And that was the document, y'all, where she had a week to show that the kids were okay. They said you have a week to present the kids, or you're going to be arrested and extradited back to Idaho. And clearly she couldn't show that the kids were okay, so she was arrested and extradited back to Idaho. Y'all, shout out Becky. Thanks so much, Pink Shadow. Thank you so much. Y'all already hitting goals. Oh man, it's gonna be one of those nights. Oh, you guys are the best. Y'all, if you're new here, take a second, hit that follow button. There's still almost 600 of you guys watching on TikTok. Shout out. My name's Patrick. If you're new here, hit the follow button, y'all. If you like true crime, this is what I do. I do true crime lives every single day. And right now we're listening to the Lori Vallow trial. Unfortunately, there's no live stream or live audio each day, so we only get what happened during that day's proceedings at the end of the day, or sometimes even the next day. But right now we're listening to what actually happened today, so this morning. And this is Colin Nesbitt with the Kauai, Hawaii Police Department, and he is a detective there. So we're going to keep on listening. And y'all, thank you for the follows. I see a bunch of y'all following. I really, really appreciate that. And thanks for the gifts. Seriously, Ren, hit me with butterflies. You're so sweet. All right, let me reset that goal, and let's keep on listening to this testimony.
Was Lori Vallow, and there's water there if you need it.
Yes, thank you.
I'm assuming, given your answer, that Lori Vallow was located?
Yes, ma'am.
Where was she located?
She was located at the address of 4141 Queen Emma Drive in Princeville, which is a condo complex, and she was in the swimming pool area.
Okay. Who was with her?
Chad Daybell.
Okay. And who went up to serve her those legal papers?
Detective Cataluna served those the papers.
Okay.
Y'all, still the cool mom. So this is Colin Nesbitt testifying, and then so still the prosecution. They just started his testimony. And y'all, I switched it to the fires. 250 fires. Impossible. There's no way. Shout out Carrie. What's up? Hey, good to see you. Y'all, fantastic to see you guys coming in. If you're new here, make sure you hit that follow button. And y'all, let's go for 25K on the likes. Heck yes. And Galaxy Gang, where you guys at?
Who was present from law enforcement when Detective Cataluna served those papers?
Also with Detective Cataluna was Lieutenant Christopher Collio and myself.
Okay. Were you with the detective and the lieutenant the entire time that they went in to serve the papers on Lori Vallow?
Yes, ma'am, I was.
Was that service recorded in any way?
Yes, it was.
How was the service of papers on Lori Vallow from Idaho? Those papers from Idaho. How was that service completed?
She was provided a copy, and then she was asked if she had any questions.
Okay. And after that happened, was that recording captured and saved?
Yes, ma'am, it was.
And were you the person responsible for making a copy and saving the recording of the service on Lori Vallow in Hawaii?
Yes, I was.
Okay. And did you make a copy and turn it over to anyone?
Yes, I did.
Who did you turn it over to?
The Rexburg Police Department.
Okay. And prior to coming to court today, did you make another copy for use in trial of that recording of service of papers on Lori Vallow?
Yes, ma'am, I did.
Okay. And did you put it on a thumb drive and mark it with your initials?
Yes, ma'am.
Your Honor, I'd ask the court that the court hand Officer Nesbitt States Exhibit 205.
Cookie, thank you so much. Stacy D, thank you. Thank you for the fires, y'all. Becky coming in hot, literally. Life is good. Amelia, welcome. Lena, yeah, this is from today. So this is today's audio. And if you guys are new here, hit that follow button. My name's Patrick. Welcome to the family. Kristen, thank you for the fires, y'all.
And I apologize. I think I called you officer. It's detective, right?
Either one is fine.
Okay. Detective, do you recognize States Exhibit 205?
Yes, I do.
Okay, what is it?
It's the thumb drive that I saved a copy of the recording on.
Okay. And did you prepare that thumb drive?
Yes, I did.
Is it other than the recording of the service of paper on Lori Vallow in January of 2020, is there anything else on that thumb drive?
No, there isn't.
Okay, so the only thing on there, just to be clear for the court, is the recording of Lori Vallow being served with Idaho papers.
That is correct.
Okay. Your Honor, I move for the admission of States Exhibit 205.
Any objection?
No.
Okay.
I'm surprised he didn't break it down again. Well, I guess she knew what he was probably going to say, and so she said, "Is that the only file on there?" Because remember, he had a problem with the defense attorney had a problem with the fact that there were multiple files and there was only supposed to be one file per jump drive or something like that, and they were like, "Well, that there isn't just one file per drive. We'd have hundreds of thousands of drives, or maybe thousands of drives." That was a bit embellished, but yeah, that. Let's see where the defense goes with this too. Cindy, by the way, Cindy, shout out. Thank you for the fires. Cookie, thank you for the fires. Kristen, thank you for the fires. Kelly, thank you so much. Chris in the house too. Y'all, thank you so very much. We might even hit that, y'all. 250 fires. I thought that was impossible. Thank you so much for that. And shout out to YouTube as well. Guys, by the way, if you have not subscribed to the YouTube channel yet, make sure you do. It's the same name, The Haunted Side, over on YouTube. The link is in the bio. Go subscribe and hit the follow button on TikTok too, y'all. We just hit 56,000 followers. We're at 56,300 already. So you guys are incredible. Thank you so much. Ren, thanks for the gamer cat. Lilum? That went too fast. Lilum? Thank you for the spirit fingers. Okay, let's keep on going. And again, y'all, this is Detective Colin Nesbitt, and he is a detective in Kauai, Hawaii. Let's hear the rest of his testimony.
Request permission for the admission if I missed that, and then a request permission to play it for the jury.
It's admitted without objection, and it may be published.
Thank you, Judge.
And cheers, everyone. Get your copies out. It'll be a late night. Y'all halfway there. Becky, shout out from Ohio. Where's everybody from? You guys, type in where you're from. See where we're all listening from. Aaron's in the house. Shout out. Keep the pat on the back. Oh, snap. Shout out Louisiana, Phoenix, Seattle, Illinois, Gilbert. Oop, Nevada. Shout out to Nevada. AZ, Texas. Shout out Texas. Born and bred. Iowa. Shout out Iowa. Cali, Georgia, New Orleans. You got Nola in the house. I love New Orleans. Iowa, Montana, Kingsman, Maine, Colorado, Georgia, Montreal. Call this tabernacle sacrament. How you say it? Montreal? Montreal? You did that weird roll with the back. Montreal. Call it. World Darkness, thank you. Kentucky, Pennsylvania, Dallas. That's where I was born and raised. Ontario. Y'all, we're just waiting on them to get set up. We're plugging the thumb drive in so we can listen to that. UFS, Christy, thank you.
Your Honor, it appears the court system isn't connecting with the laptop. We'll try a different laptop, and then we'll do it again if you don't mind.
The court, see, y'all, I told you this has to be one of the reasons why. And Kathy says Pennsylvania, UK in the house, and over on YouTube as well. But this has to be another one of the reasons why they didn't live stream this this trial, is because, y'all, this courtroom has had all kinds of tech issues. The monitor's not working, the projector's not working, the microphone's not working, the laser pointer at one point went out during testimony. They can't get the system right now to be able to connect to that laptop to show those things. I'm telling y'all, that had to be one of the reasons too, not just because the witnesses can't hear each other's testimony. I promise you that was another reason. Kristen, thank you. Nikki, thank you. Oh my God, we're hitting that goal too, y'all. Hand hearts as well. You guys are unbelievable. Thank you so much for the love. I really, really appreciate that. Y'all, also, we're trying to get to 121 subscribers on TikTok. Y'all, take a second, find the little star button. It's somewhere around here. Hit that subscribe button if you really want to help the channel out, and subscribe. Let's see if we can get to 121. We're at 115 right now. And Galaxy Gang, where y'all at? Mary's in the house too. Shout out, Mary. Lovely to see you. Galaxy Gang check in. I don't know. We might even see a unicorn or a lion or an eagle. We don't know, y'all. It might be one of those nights. It might be one of those crazy nights. But hit the follow button at least. I appreciate the heck out of you guys. And let's go 50K on the likes. Once again, we're listening to the Lori Vallow trial audio. This is from today, and this is Colin, not Colin, Colin Nesbitt. And he is a detective with the Kauai, Hawaii Police Department. All right, let's jump back in.
Because it's not displaying what it should be displaying from the laptop.
Okay.
Let's try another laptop. I'll get mine.
Gary, thank you so much. Mary, did I miss a Galaxy? I missed the Galaxy Gang check-in.
Thank you.
Mary, hold up. I'm so sorry. I apologize for that. Galaxy Gang, Mary.
Thank you, Hunter.
Yeah, I think they got it figured out now. A long time ago? Oh my God. You missed the Galaxy big time? I'm so sorry, y'all. Now I feel terrible. Oh, Stacy. Stacy and Mary both. I hope this isn't what we're supposed to be listening to because I can barely hear it. Royal Darkness 2? Oh my God, y'all are unbelievable. I hope it gets louder, y'all. I hope they realize that they need to put the microphone closer to this recording. Anytime they play a recording and we're listening to the recording of a recording, the audio is just atrocious. But let's keep going. Sarah! No, not the meteor shower. Oh my God. Not a meteor shower. Sarah, I didn't even see you come in either. Oh my God. Y'all are unbelievable. Thank you so much for the love. Thank you so much for the love. Y'all, if you're not watching on TikTok, YouTube, you can't see all the craziness that's happening on the screen. I implore you, come on, hang out on TikTok, y'all. Unbelievable. Thank you so much for the love. Thank you so much for the support. You guys are absolutely incredible. Okay, let's see. I hope they fix this audio. Let's keep going and keep listening. I want to try to hear when they serve these papers. And it's turned up all the way, y'all. Doris, hey. Why does it sound like it's like a washing machine? World Darkness. Hey, Audi. So sweet.
Any questions?
Oh, it's literally because they said she was in the pool, right? So it's probably the water hitting up against the pool. Duh. and she was looking at the papers. And any questions? With that one. Have a nice day. You're so winded. Stay.
Now, sir, those papers,
I can't stress how incredibly amazing y'all are. Thank you so much for the love. And it is weird to have a hat going the right way, y'all. You guys see me with the hat going the backwards way all the time. Wowzers, y'all. Unbelievable. We hit that goal too. Well, I'm going to reset that while we keep listening.
were they part of an investigation into missing children?
Yes, ma'am.
And there were orders on the defendant to produce J.J. Vallow?
Yes.
Okay. And that was the service we just saw
Yes, ma'am.
of an order on Lori Vallow to produce J.J. Vallow.
Correct.
What date was that again? I apologize. I'm not sure I got the specific date.
It was served on January 25th, 2020.
Did you have any additional connection with the investigation into finding J.J. Vallow and or questioning Lori Vallow?
Yes, I did.
What was your next involvement?
My next involvement is I was assigned to execute search warrant
Okay. And search warrant on what?
on the person of Lori Vallow, the person of Chad Daybell, a vehicle, and the condo.
Okay. And what date did you,
Stacey, thank you.
were you part of the search warrant team?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so you weren't by yourself.
No, ma'am.
What date did you guys execute the search warrant involving Lori Vallow in Hawaii?
On January 26th.
The next day?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And so when you went to execute that search warrant, where were they found?
They were found driving a vehicle southbound from Princeville towards Louis, which is about a 30-minute drive, and they were going to Kauai Beach Resort.
Okay. And how was it law enforcement came into contact with Lori Vallow and Chad Daybell?
As far as like the traffic stop?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. There was a traffic stop initiated at Kauai Beach Resort.
Okay. And so at the traffic stop, who was driving the car?
Lori Vallow.
Okay.
They whoop whoop. Pull over. What do you think was going through their heads, y'all, in that moment? What do you think was going through Chad Daybell and Lori's head right then? What do you think? What do you think? I'm imagining they're probably freaking out and they're like, one of them had to be like, they found them. They found the kids, right? I mean, come on. This case. Yeah, we're after Amelia. I'm telling you, fear, lots of it. Yep. Rin. Oh my God. Hit me with the owl. Thank you so much for that. Giggle Popcorn's in the house. Ah, Laura. Scratching me. Yo, I set it to 10 owls. There's no way we can get 10 owls, y'all. That is next level. Royal Darkness, another one though. Uh-oh. Y'all are gonna come through. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's keep going.
And who else?
Oh, real quick, y'all, if you're new here, hit that follow button. My name's Patrick. Welcome to the family. If you like true crime, hit the follow button. This is kind of like a true crime podcasty, live streamy thingy. We just do this weird dance for you too, apparently. But hang out. We have a lot of fun in here. And another one. And Giggle Popcorn, you're going haywire like always. Stacy, thank you for the owl. Y'all, there's 7 left. Holy crap. All right, let's keep on listening. And tap the screen, y'all. We're close to 50K. Thank you. Lana. Thank you for that shower dance, right? Oh, not another meteor shower. Oh, no. Y'all, we're another meteor shower? It's been a while since we've seen one of those. Shout out to Sarah.
In the car?
Chad Daybell.
Okay. At the traffic stop, was anybody, taken out of the car?
Yes.
Okay. Who was taken out of the car?
Both occupants, Lori and Chad.
Okay. At any point, was Ms. Vallow given an opportunity to receive her personal paperwork or personal items?
Yes, she was.
Okay. Can you tell us about how that happened?
So we provided her with a copy of the search warrant, and then we allowed her to take some items that she might need, such as her cash or if she had any medication or anything like that.
When you say we, who's we?
Myself, Detective Cataluna, and Lieutenant Collio, and there was some other people there.
Okay. So when you allowed the Lori Vallow to obtain some of her personal paperwork, where did you guys go to, where did you locate that paperwork?
At her vehicle.
Okay. Was she present?
Yes, she was.
Okay. What paper?
Yeah, Grammy, yeah, they seized her phone. That was big right there, both of them. Yo, we hit 50K too. Oh my goodness. Let's go for 75K. Peggy, thank you for the rose. Gina, yes, you are not alone. I think we all wish that that the judge would have allowed the live stream cameras. Absolutely, 100% wish, because I want to see their faces, her face specifically. Amelia, shout out. Sass is in the house. Good to see you guys, y'all. Thank you so much for being here. Thanks for all of the love. Hit that follow button. Another meteor shower, y'all. Unbelievable. Thank you guys so much for the love. Vicky, howdy, ma'am. Y'all, I can't even. Oh my goodness. Is this going to be another one of these nights, y'all, where the screen just goes haywire for like an hour and people are screaming at me, just play the recording? Lana, thank you so much for the telescopes too. You guys are so hats galore. I know. Y'all, can we hit the owl goal? Look, we need 7 more owls. Lord have mercy. Okay. YouTube is like, what the hell's going on? It sounds like a party over there. Royal Darkness, another owl. Oh, thank you so much. Okay. Before I start getting in trouble and people start trolling, we better start listening to it again. Stacy, thank you for the kite. Laura, thank you for the roses. Royal Darkness with the owl. You guys are unbelievable. Thank you so much. Okay. It's all love here. I know. That's why I love you guys. You guys are absolutely incredible. Okay. Let's keep Lisa, thank you for the rose. Oh, man. You guys are the best. All right. Let's keep on listening. So he's talking about when they did the traffic stop on Chad and Lori. And I believe this is when Lori was arrested, wasn't it? Because she had the week to present the kids. She did not. I'm pretty sure that's what this is. Let's keep going.
At her vehicle.
Okay. Was she present?
Yes, she was.
Okay. What paperwork or items was she trying to have you give her?
Well, we were just going to give her back her cash from her purse and give her back some items that she might. I think she had some medication in there, and then because we had the search warrant, we looked through her purse, and then we put it back in the car.
Okay. So as you're looking through her purse, did you find any credit cards or any information?
Yes.
What?
Oh, don't tell me they found the kids' cards in there. Oh, don't tell me they found like Tylee's debit card and things like that. Oh, my goodness. Oh, I like that one. D. Huffaker says, tap, 75K in 5 minutes. Y'all, can we hit 75K likes in 5 minutes and get 4 more owls? I don't know why I said it like that. Owls. Let's see. I love you guys. Thank you so much for the love. Again, you don't have to send the gifts, y'all. It's totally fine. Come hang out. Just have a good time. Tap the screen. Hit that follow button, y'all. That's all that matters. All right, let's go.
Information or credit cards did you find?
So Detective Cataluna was looking through her credit cards and counting her money. And when he was looking through the credit cards, he handed them to me to put inside a plastic bag to give back to Lori, whatever he didn't need for the investigation. And then when he passed them to me, I looked through them again, and I saw one with the name. I saw a credit card with the name of Tylee Ryan.
Okay. So when you found the items with the credit cards and the card with Tylee Ryan's name, did that stick out to you?
Well, yes, it did.
Okay, why?
Because she was part of the missing children that we were helping them look for.
Yeah, they were looking for JJ and Tylee Ryan. Why do you have her debit card? Why on earth would you have her debit card?
Okay. So what did you do with the card that was in Tylee Ryan's name?
That was held back, and then I put it back in the car.
Okay. When you say held back from the stuff that the defendant was going to be allowed to take herself?
Yes, that's correct.
Okay. And you put it in the car. Where did you put it in the car?
On the front seat.
Okay. And then was the car itself searched after the defendant was given some personal effects?
Yes, ma'am, it was.
Okay. And was that search documented in any way?
Yes, it was.
Okay. How was it documented?
It's documented. We execute the search warrant, and then we recover whatever evidence that we need for our investigation. We bag it and tag it, put the report number, and there's a property number that goes on there, and then I sign my initials on there.
Okay.
Y'all, and keep in mind, playing devil's advocate, okay, for a mom to have a debit card that was in one of their kids' names, that's not unusual, okay? I mean, a lot of parents, especially minor children, they'll keep a hold of something like that unless the child is showing that, some financial responsibility and isn't just going to be like, wow, and buy all kinds of stuff. That's not unusual. But to have her being part of the missing persons investigation, and depending on the activity that they find on that card, because if they show that she was actually using the card, or because I believe they testified that this card had a lot of activity up until around the time they believed that she was unalived, and then it's totally stopped except for 2 Venmo transactions. They had 2 times where Lori Vallow sent money from her account to this account and then out to Venmo twice, is what we heard. We heard that testified week before last. So I don't know. Let's keep going. It's getting interesting now. Y'all, thank you so much. If you're new on TikTok, hit that follow button, please, and thank you. My name's Patrick. If you like true crime stuff, give me a follow. Come hang out. I do live streams like this every single day. Shout out to y'all. I appreciate it. Stacy, thank you for the hand hearts. And y'all, we are trying to get to 10 of these little owl guys. I think we're at 6. We need 4 more owls, y'all. Who is going to do it? Just kidding. Okay, I'm going to stop. Dad jokes are over for now, but let's keep going with the testimony. Watch, like the numbers are going to go like 1 person watching.
Number that goes on there, and then I sign my initials on there.
Okay. And does anybody take any effort to take photographs of that process?
Yes.
Okay. And were photographs taken of the search of Lori Vallow's car in Hawaii on January 26, 2020?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And have you had an opportunity to look at those photographs?
I have.
Okay. I'm going to hand you what has been marked State's Exhibit 234Z. I apologize, 234A through Z, a copy of which has been provided to the court as a courtesy, and a courtesy copy has been given to defense counsel before today.
Can I clarify one thing?
One moment, we'll do that in just a second, okay?
Peggy, thank you.
And in the A through Z, are there any missing letters in there, Ms. Smith, just to clarify? I didn't look yet. I'm just.
I don't believe so, Judge, but
Okay.
sadly, crazier things have happened.
Crazier things have happened. Oh my goodness. Y'all, thank you for the love. We got 2 left. 2 more owls. Hooray. I'll stop, y'all. I promise. Tia, thank you. 1 more. ASMR, courtroom ASMR. I'm going to fast forward a little bit, y'all.
Okay, good. I believe all of them are there, Judge. I did double check.
Who is testifying? I just got here. Welcome. Hit that follow button. And this is Detective Colin Nesbitt. And he is a detective for the Kauai, Hawaii Police Department. And he served he was there when Lori was served the papers to present JJ or be extradited back to Idaho. And I think also when she was arrested, I think is where they're getting at right now. But let's keep on listening. Y'all, we hit the owl goal. Hooray. Unbelievable. Thank you guys for the who needs owls. Oh my goodness. Okay, courtroom ASMR. It's true. That's what it sounded like. All right, let's keep on going. Where did Tylee and JG get the money from? Social Security, Teresa. So Tylee's dad had passed, which was her third husband, Joe Ryan. And she was getting money from being his surviving daughter. And JJ received Social Security money for the fourth husband passing. And they both received almost $2,000 a month. And even Lori Vallow was receiving close to $2,000 a month. So it was almost $6,000 a month. And she was receiving it for being the mother in care. So because she wasn't remarried, she was also getting money after Charles had passed. And keep in mind, y'all, Charles was shot by her brother. They thought it was self-defense initially. Turns out that was not the case. It's under investigation still. Okay, I got to reset the goal. You guys are incredible. Galaxy Gang, where are you guys at? Check in, Galaxy Gang, and let's see what else Colin has got to say. Detective Nesbitt. Sorry.
Do you need water?
Oh, I have.
Okay. Before you look at those, there was something you requested to clarify. What would you like to clarify?
I wasn't sure what the date was that you said on the execution of the search warrant for the vehicle.
What is the date for the execution of the search warrant?
That was done on January 28th, so 2 days after.
Okay, thank you. Take a look at States Exhibits 234A to 234Z. Do you recognize those? And please look at all of them as a group.
Nikki, thank you so much. Getting the GG. I don't even know what that means. What's GG mean? But I figured 1,000 of those was Cookie too. Thank you, Nikki and Cookie. You guys are the best. Lana, 100%. So many innocent lives, just senseless crimes. You don't want to be married to the spouse? Divorce him. You thought the world was ending anyways. Why'd you need the life insurance money? And she didn't even get it. She was pissed when she found out Charles had changed her from the beneficiary to his sister. But she was pissed. That was in vain. That was for nothing. That poor man lost his life for nothing. It's because she was like, he's a zombie. He's been possessed by an evil spirit, and we must unalive him.
Do you recognize each one of those items in States Exhibit 234A?
Yes, ma'am, I do.
Okay. How is it that you can recognize those pictures
Amelia.
or the objects in those pictures?
Thank you.
The objects in the pictures I recovered while I executed the search warrant.
Okay. So was it your responsibility to obtain the evidence that's depicted in those pictures?
Yes, it was.
And then what did you do with the items that you collected?
They were bagged and tagged, sealed with evidence tape. My signature was put on them along with the report number and a property number. And then they were turned into the evidence locker.
Oh my God, y'all are going haywire right now. Amelia, over 300 GGs. Royal Darkness. Chris coming in hot too. What is I don't even know what the GG stands for, y'all. What is it? Carrie, good night. 30 of them as well. Lord have mercy. You guys are unbelievable. Amelia, 330 of them. Dear Lord in heaven. Nikki, thank you so much. You guys are the best. I really appreciate you. And y'all, I see a bunch of new people in here too. Take a second. Y'all, if you're new on TikTok, hit that follow button. Please and thank you. Oh, hey, what's up, Carrie? Stop it. Y'all, hit that follow button, especially if you like true crime. My name is Patrick. I do true crime lives like this every single day. So if you like this kind of content, hit that follow button, y'all. And again, we're listening to the Lori Vallow trial. And this is from today. So this is what was testified earlier today. Unfortunately, we don't get a live audio or a live video stream. We only get the recorded audio at the end of the day. So that's what we're listening to right now. But take a second, tap the screen like crazy too, y'all. Let's go for 150K on the likes, y'all. Tap the screen like crazy. And Nikki, thank you for 40 of those things. Y'all are fantastic. All right, let's keep going.
Okay. And when you located those items in the car, do the state's exhibits 234A to 234Z both depict the location of where you found those items
Yes,
and are true and accurate depictions of some of the items you found?
Peggy, no, this is not from today. And Lana says, why not? Why not? What? What happened? Why not? Oh, why not hit the follow button? Oh, come on. Come on. And what, are we there yet? Y'all, not 738? What? Y'all, we're going to hit it. We're like almost like 250 something away. Lord have
that is correct.
mercy.
I move for the admission of State's Exhibit 234A to 234Z, Your Honor.
Any objection?
No, Your Honor.
All right, exhibits 234A through Z, which contain each of those alphabetically, are all admitted.
Thank you. I request permission to display for the jury.
You may publish that.
Oh, God. Sorry about that, y'all. I didn't hit the pause button quick enough. Y'all, thank you so much. Royal Darkness coming in hot. Terry, thank you. Carrie, thank you for that. Howdy, man. Howdy, Carrie. Stop it. Oh, my word. Y'all are unbelievable. I object to GG, right? You keep saying my real name. Blonde Misery, I do. Is your real name Lori? Get it? Ba-doom-ch. Oh my goodness. Becky, thank you so much. Oh my goodness, y'all. We might even hit that one too. Okay, let me keep on let's keep on going down and see what else we got. Or keep listening.
That was loud. All right. Let me show you what has been marked state and admitted as State's Exhibit 234A. Let me zoom that out. What is reflected in State's Exhibit 234A?
The rental vehicle of Lori Vallow and Chad Daybell, 2019 Black Ford Explorer.
And where is the car located when these pictures are taken?
The car is located inside the evidence warehouse.
Okay. And is that where you did the search and collected the evidence?
Sass, thank you so much. 120 GGs. We don't even know what that means yet. And we hit the goal. Oh my God. Can we get a goal? I need a button that says that, y'all. I need a goal button. Oh, let's do it. Let's do it. In fact, y'all, use your phone and do the voice memo and just everybody just go goal and then email it to me and I'll compile everybody into one and I'll have everybody screaming goal at the same time. Boom. Let's make that happen.
Yes, ma'am.
Galaxy Gang? You guys want a Galaxy Gang check-in?
What is depicted in State's Exhibit 234B?
That's the front driver's seat of the vehicle with her purse on the front seat.
Any good game.
Okay. Now, you had mentioned you had put the credit card or the card of Tylee Ryan back in the car. When you put it back in the car, where did you initially put it?
On the front seat.
Okay, near her purse?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And is it visible in this picture?
No, it's not.
Okay. What happened to the card of Tylee Ryan after you put it back in the car?
I presume that it slipped to the side when I was loading the car on top of the tow truck for the evidence tow.
And why do you presume that?
Sunshine. Why didn't it go? There it is. Sunshine. Oh my goodness. There's one. You guys are incredible. Thank you so much for the love. Oh, y'all hit that follow button too. If you're new here, hit that follow button.
Because I had it on the front seat, and then I jumped into assist with the tow, with the evidence tow, and then it was later found on the little in between the driver's seat and that in the bottom of the door.
Let me show you what has been marked as State's Exhibit 234C. What's that?
That's a more close-up shot of her purse.
Okay. And State's Exhibit 234D, what's this?
That's a partial view of the credit card that fell from the front seat to that door jamb area.
Okay. So the credit card had been in Roy Vallow's purse,
Yes,
and then it was taken out. You identified it, and then it was put in the car,
correct.
and then it slipped between the seat and the door.
Yes, ma'am.
And that's a picture of where it landed?
Yes, it is.
What is State's Exhibit 234E?
That's the
Can you see that? What
Yes.
is that one?
that's the credit card.
Okay. And the name on it, the light reflection is not.
It's Tylee Ryan.
Emerald says, I think she hated Tylee. I honestly kind of feel like there was some animosity. Maybe Tylee was like starting. I mean, she was 16, right? She's starting to become her own woman, right? Like she's starting to come into her own, right? And maybe she started to kind of not fall for some of the crap that she thought she was going to be able to do, i.e. her brother, i.e. Melanie Gibb in the beginning. What was the lady yesterday? Audrey, the one that she allegedly told that she laughed all cackly and told her she was going to burn her and cut her into pieces and stuff. Maybe Tylee got to that point where she was, coming into her own and she was just like, this ain't for me. I don't feel comfortable with this. And she was like, oh, really? Because it does seem like these people, if you weren't of use to them, if you were useless, I mean, husbands, unfortunately, kids, tragically, vile, y'all. Rin, thank you for the earths too. And Serenity, thank you for the earths as well. Thank you so much. I appreciate you guys. You guys are absolutely incredible. Download that creepy laugh, right? Oh, no, heck no. I don't want that. I don't need that bad juju. But if y'all haven't heard the laugh I'm talking about, there's a video on the TikTok page. Go maybe 5-6 videos back and it says she just laughed or something like that. And it was during the jailhouse phone call between her and her oldest son, Colby. And he was talking about how she was being blasphemous and all this stuff and that Jesus wouldn't tell her to do the stuff that she's alleged of doing. And she's just like, just on the phone. And he's like, why are my siblings are unalived? And then she's just like, like, y'all, ooh, I get like, it makes me very upset the way that she just, it's crazy, y'all. It's crazy. And y'all, by the way, Galaxy Gang check-in. Trying to get 5 Galaxy Gang check-ins. Shout out to Sunshine for one of them. Are we gonna hit that one? I think that one might be the one. That's the impossible one. All right, let's keep going, y'all. Again, this is the audio from today. Excuse me. This is Colin Nesbitt, and this is the detective from the Kauai, Hawaii Police Department. Kauai, Hawaii. That's fun to say. Everybody say that out loud. Kauai, Hawaii. Okay. Let's keep going. Okay. Exactly. I just want justice served. Yeah, exactly.
And State's Exhibit 234F. Just get that down.
That's the back of the same credit card.
And what are we seeing in States Exhibit 234G?
Lori Vallow's cell phone that was found in the side pocket of her purse.
And was that cell phone seized?
Yes, it was.
And then what did you do with the stuff you seized again, just so we're clear?
They were
Bag and tag.
what we call bag and tagged evidence.
I got you, Colin. You don't even got to say it.
Tape is put on there. They're photographed, and then they're submitted into the evidence locker.
Okay. And was the items eventually shipped and given to the Rexburg PD?
Yes, they were.
States Exhibit 234H. What are we looking at here?
That's the rear passenger side of the vehicle, and there's a on the bottom of the floorboard you can see a blue and white striped bag. That's a Robin Ruth bag that was recovered.
Okay. When you said that was recovered, did you find anything of potential evidentiary value in that bag?
Yes, I did.
What did you find in that bag?
What is that? Robin what? Is that a restaurant?
That bag had several personal documents. It had birth certificates, death certificates, had I believe a marriage certificate, had a rental agreements, and patriarchal blessing, and
A lot of items in there?
yes, ma'am.
Okay. So did you take that bag and seize it?
Yes, I did.
And did you seize its contents?
Yes, I did.
For completeness sake, what is States Exhibit 234I?
To the left of the door on the far left-hand bottom corner, that's another picture of the bag on the floorboard.
So when you say in the far left corner of the image?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And so just so that I'm clear, it's this.
That is correct.
Okay. What is States Exhibit? What is reflected in States Exhibit 234J?
That's the rear cargo area of the vehicle.
Okay. Did you seize anything of that you felt might be of significance from the rear cargo of the vehicle?
Yes, I did.
What'd you seize?
There was a black JanSport backpack, and inside of that backpack, I seized 2 computers.
Ooh.
Now, you mentioned the blue bag from the back seat. Is that what we're looking at in States Exhibit 234K?
Yes, it is.
And then you indicated that you seized the items from the blue bag. Please tell us what's in States Exhibit 234L.
There's a couple folders that have a lot of those personal documents, and two Apple laptops. There's actually 3 all total in that bag, and then there's a book and
What
a
book?
couple other folders.
I wonder if it was Chad's book, y'all.
Is States Exhibit 234M a copy of?
Thank you for subscribing. Y'all are so sweet. Y'all, thank you so much, Carrie. Unbelievable. Y'all, that's 116. We're trying to get to 121 subscribers on the TikTok page, y'all. Take a second. If you like the content, consider subscribing. It helps me make more. So if you like more, come on. That's a win-win, y'all. And if you are new here, make sure you at least hit that follow button. Thanks for hanging out. Join the family. There's some pretty amazing people down here in the chat. And Galaxy Gang, check in. We got Sunshine hitting with one of those galaxies, y'all. Can we get one more or 4 more? We need 4 more, y'all. Let's go. You don't have to though, guys. Don't stress. It's all good. Thanks for being here and hanging out.
One of the Apple products that you seized? An image of one of the Apple products you seized?
Yes, it was.
In States Exhibit 234N, is this another one of the Apple products you seized
Yes, it is.
and that were conveyed to Rexburg PD for analysis?
Correct.
In States Exhibit 234O, is this one of the other devices you seized?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and what initials are in the back of that device in the otter box
JJ.
in the red letters? Those
No, not JJ's device, y'all.
Yes.
And States Exhibit 234P, what is that?
That's the front of that same Apple tablet.
Okay, and that Apple tablet with JJ's name on it, that's the front of it?
Yes, correct.
Okay. Now you mentioned some personal papers.
Yes.
Okay, pour your water. I'm with you. You need a drink?
Okay.
Okay. Let me show you what's in States Exhibit 234Q.
She's sweet.
What are those?
Uh,
Are those some of the personal papers you seized?
yes, it is.
Okay. Do you need me to zoom in to be able to see which
Yeah.
ones?
Yes, please.
Let's start with the image that's on the left side of the picture. Can you see that?
Honestly, no, I cannot read the.
Need me to zoom in? You need me to zoom in?
Well, when it does, I think it gets blurry, so I can't see that. Okay.
Let me do it one more time.
Okay.
Can you read it?
Yes.
Okay. What is the document on the left side of the picture?
On the left side of the picture, it's State of Arizona Certificate of Death, named in the name of Leland Charles Anthony Vallow.
Charles Vallow. Oh,
And so that's a death certificate for Leland or Charles Vallow.
why does she have that, y'all? Why does she just let me go on a trip with my, I guess at that point they got married, right? During that trip. Let me go on a trip with my new husband and oh, I need something blue, something borrowed, something new, what's the other ones? Oh, I've got my fourth husband's death certificate with me. What? Y'all, just weird stuff. Just weird stuff around these people. I don't know. Let's keep on going.
Correct.
You have to have it to get married? Lena, did I actually really? It wouldn't already be like to get the marriage, I guess to get the marriage license, huh? I assumed that they already had it, but they probably didn't. Okay, I can kind of see that. Yes, you do. Yes, you do. Oh, yep. Okay. Good to know. Good to know. Okay, let's keep going.
Okay. How many copies did you find of Charles Vallow's death certificate in Lori Vallow's rental?
There was roughly 14 or 15 copies.
Okay, so do you need 14 or 15 copies of it, though, y'all? Dear Lord. Watch, you probably do. They're like, yeah, you have to file it, this and that. Oh, God. I don't know. I've never been married. Y'all help me out here. I'm trying to learn these things, too. All right, let's keep going. That's why I like having the live streams, y'all. You guys are incredible. I brought 20. You never know. Oh, my gosh. You need You needed to take his money out of the bank. Oh. Dang, that's crazy, y'all. Crazy to think about. Okay, let's keep on going. And y'all, Galaxy Gang, where you at? Galaxy Gang.
Excuse me.
That's all right. And what is the document on the right-hand side of the picture?
That's a document of the condo complex that they were staying at.
What do we see? What are the papers we see in States Exhibit 234R? And do you need me to zoom out?
Just a little bit. Can you push the one on the left down just a little bit so that the top is showing? There you go. So that's a state of Louisiana certification of birth in the name of Joshua Jackson Vallow.
He was born in Louisiana?
Is there an additional certification of death on the very right-hand side of the picture?
Yes, there is.
Who is that for?
It's issued by the state of Arizona in the name of Leland Charles Anthony Vallow.
And that's another one of the copies you found?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. There appear to be some Social Security cards in the picture. Let me move it over. Can you read those?
Got the Social Security cards too?
Yes, I can.
Whose Social Security cards were in that car in Hawaii?
Tylee Ryan and Joshua Vallow.
Okay. And the investigation was into a disappearance into both Tylee and JJ, correct?
Yes, that is correct.
And the paperwork served on Lori a couple of days before this search was for her to produce both Tylee and JJ?
That is correct.
Okay. Above in the image, above the Social Security cards for JJ and Tylee, it looks like there's some school paperwork.
Yes.
Okay. Can you tell us what that says?
It's a receipt from the Madison School District in the name of received from Joshua Vallow.
At the top of the image, if you can read it, what do we see? You mean zoom?
Yes, please.
Is it still too blurry?
No.
Can you read it?
Yes. Department of State Health Services vital statistics. Okay. I can't really read that last word, but it's in the name of Tylee Ryan.
And then there were some items in a bag in the picture. Can you see what those are?
Yes.
What were those?
State of Louisiana certification of birth in the name of Kanan Trahan.
Okay. Which of the papers do we see depicted in States Exhibit 234S? And I'll zoom out. Can you read those?
Yes, I can.
What are those?
Real quick, Royal Darkness. Oh my goodness. Thank you so much. Galaxy Gang was checking in hard right there. Oop, Galaxy Gang has checked in. Thank you so much. Oh my goodness, Royal Darkness. Unbelievable. You guys are so sweet. Okay, let's keep on going, y'all. Again, we're listening to, hey, Carrie, howdy. Y'all, we're listening to the Lori Vallow Daybell trial, specifically the testimony of Detective Colin Nesbitt. and he is a detective in Kauai, Hawaii. And he served the paperwork when Lori Vallow had to present JJ because they were missing at that point, and also did a search warrant on her and Chad. And I believe he also, here in just a minute, is going to say how he ultimately she was arrested and then extradited back to Idaho. Okay, so let's keep on going. And y'all, if you're new here, all the new people watching on TikTok, y'all take a second, hit that follow button, please and thank you. My name is Patrick. If you like true crime content, welcome to the family. I do these live streams every single day, multiple times a day. Boppity boop. Is that what it is? I was just in the ocean. Shout out to Under the Sea. Thank you so much for that. Y'all, unbelievable. But yeah, this is the second live stream of today. I do live streams every single day. So y'all take a second and hit that follow button, please. And thank you. Y'all, we're trying to get 3 more Galaxy Gang check-ins. And apparently Under the Sea, lions and eagles. Who knows what kind of crazy stuff we're going to see tonight. Boppity do Bryn. Shout out. You're very welcome. Thank you so much. You guys are incredible. All right, let's keep on listening, y'all. Keep chugging along. And I may or may not have a something to show you guys here in a second.
Certification of birth issued by the state of Louisiana in the name of Kanan Trahan.
What name was it?
Do you remember how many copies of JJ's birth certificate under any name, Kanan Trahan or JJ Vallow, were in that bag?
I'm glad the prosecution said that too, because that was kind of, I was like, wait a second, what? Yeah, that was his name at birth. But keep in mind, y'all, when Lori and Chad adopted him, they changed his name to Joshua Jackson Vallow.
There were several. I don't know how many offhand.
Okay. Of the papers from that car, what do we see in State's Exhibit 234T? And I'm going to zoom out unless you need me. Can you read that?
Yes.
What is that?
That's a Blue Sky property management, residency, and financials document for a lease agreement in the name of Lori Vallow, Tylee Ryan, and Joshua Vallow. It looks like it's dated 8/26/2019.
And at the very top, that address is in Idaho? If you can read it.
Yes, Rexburg, Idaho.
Morena, good to see you. Yo, shout out to YouTube, y'all. And by the way, we're live streaming on YouTube as well. So if you guys want to rewatch this, but from the YouTube perspective, make sure you go subscribe to the YouTube channel as well. Same name, The Haunted Side. There's links in the bio up here, y'all. You can click the little YouTube logo button that's on the page. Go subscribe to YouTube. And shout out to the OGs over on YouTube. I appreciate you guys so much. Thanks for being here and supporting the channel, the true crime content, the paranormal content, everything. I love you guys. Thank you so much. And if you're new over here, y'all hit that follow button. And we need 3 more Galaxy Gang check-ins. Let's go, y'all. If you want to, of course. You don't have to. But I do appreciate it. Thanks for the love and the support, y'all.
And in State's Exhibit 234U, let me zoom out a little bit. What are we looking at here?
That was a patriarchal blessing from Chad Daybell to Alexander Cox, dated November 24th, 2019.
Dawn. Dawn is in the house, y'all. Oh, snap. It's about to get crazy up in here. Donna Corn. Thank you so much. You are so sweet. I really, really appreciate you. Thank you guys so much for the love. All right, let's keep on rolling through. Y'all, again, this is Lori Vallow trial. Lisa! Oh, my word. Lisa, coming in hot too. Y'all, Galaxy Gang in full swing right now. That's one more to go. And y'all on YouTube were like, what the heck's happening? Y'all, there's a party going on over here on TikTok. Come join up. Man, you guys are incredible. Thank you so much. Okay, I'm going to rewind a little bit. And we got one more, y'all. One more of those. And I have it. Sassaroni carry too. Oh my God. Y'all, not 2 in a row. Just a whirlwind of Galaxy Gang action right now. Y'all, what the heck is going on? Thank you guys so much. Absolutely incredible. Thank you guys. I really appreciate it. Okay, let's see who wants. Okay, this one's impossible, y'all. There's no way we can get that fantasy unicorn, y'all. No way we're gonna get a unicorn tonight. All right, let's keep going.
Dated November 24th, 2019.
And that's just a copy of the front page?
Yes.
Now, turning to that black JanSport bag, is this what we see in States Exhibit 234V?
Yes.
Okay. In States Exhibit 234W, there's an image there. What is that?
It's a plastic bag containing an envelope with U.S. currency
Okay. Where did you find that?
inside the backpack.
Okay. And in States Exhibit 234X, what is this?
That's a patient clinical summary with a bunch of sticky notes on it.
Okay. And can you read the names at the top? Or do you need me to zoom in?
The top of the summary or the sticky notes?
I'll ask a better question. The top of the typed paper.
I can't read. Excuse me. I can't read the name on that. Lori Vallow.
Okay. And then you indicated there's
Unbelievable. Y'all, shout out to Dawn. Give Dawn some love. Let's fill the chat. Fill the chat with Dawns and hearts. Wow.
some sticky.
Absolutely incredible. Dawn, thank you so much. Go, Dawn, go. Dawn, thank you so much for the support. You're seriously, you're amazing. Everybody, y'all are all amazing. Thank you for being here. Dawn's just out of control. Holy mackerel. I seriously love you guys so much. I appreciate you guys so much. It's just unbelievable. Unbelievable. Okay. Got an idea. Let's go 100 pizzas, y'all. Got to be impossible, right? Oh my goodness. All right, let's keep going, guys. If you're just tuning in, we're listening to the Lori Vallow audio. This is from today's proceedings. We're listening to Detective Colin Nesbitt from the Kauai, Hawaii Police Department testifying right now. The defense is probably going to do a cross here in a minute. We've only got about 30 minutes left of this one, so let's keep on chugging away, y'all. And I switched it to the pizzas, y'all. Pizzas. Sass, thank you for 5 pizzas. Sunshine, thanks for the pizza. Royal Darkness, thanks for the pizza.
Why is it spicy?
You guys are the best. All right, let's jump back in and listen to this. Riley, thank you so much. Becky, thank you so much. You guys are absolutely incredible. 50% already? What the hell? Leak. Thank you. Amanda, thank you for the rose. What? How do we hit that so fast? Y'all are outrageous. This is outrageous behavior. Thank you so much. Okay, hold on. Okay. I see what you guys are doing. I'm gonna reset that. Let's listen.
It's the blue stickies we see in the picture?
Yes.
Okay. Did you see any of the information on this?
I don't know what any of those mean.
Okay.
Y'all, what about that? 5,000 chili peppers?
Why is it spicy?
Impossible. That cannot be done.
Are there various words?
Yes.
Okay. Starting at the bottom, do you see what's the word at the words at the bottom?
Shout out Kathy. Kathy, yes, it's so good to see you. Oh my goodness, y'all. Shout out to Kathy. All right, let's keep going, y'all. I'm gonna focus in. You guys are gonna get me in trouble with all the screen doing crazy stuff and eagles and lions. Oh my goodness.
Can you read it?
I'm not, I can see it, but I don't know what that word is. If it says gens or.
Judge, I think that I'm going to object here. I think that the exhibit speaks for itself. He doesn't know what it is. He doesn't know anything about these specific words on this page. So I think that has lack of foundation for him to be able to testify as to what these things are.
Well, the exhibit speaks for itself, so I'll sustain it on those grounds.
Okay, for the completeness of the record, can I ask him to read the words he sees without saying what it means? Or I'm not asking him.
Bill Child, thanks for the rose. Riley, 262 chili peppers.
Why is it spicy?
Unbelievable. Thank you so much. Laura, thank you for 29 chili peppers. Dawn, yes. In fact, Dawn, surprise. Y'all, if you send the unicorn, I have a unicorn. We call it the fantasy wheel because it's a fantasy unicorn. And we filled it up last night. And guess what, Dawn? Another one. Oh, my goodness. So, Dawn, yes, we're going to start another wheel. And, Dawn, you've already got a spot on there as well. So, I'm going to keep playing this. What is that, Riley? A freaking unicorn? I mean, not I can't even think straight right now. Oh, no. We're going to turn into one of these nights. Holy mackerel. UFO landing?
Why is it spicy?
Lord have mercy. Okay, I better get back to this. Lori, thank you so much. Oh, my goodness. You guys are absolutely insane. YouTube's like, what's going on? Y'all, sorry. I know we're live streaming on YouTube as well, y'all, but TikTok is going absolutely haywire right now. UFOs, there's probably lions or space whales that are about to come out. Holy mackerel. Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm going to keep playing this, y'all, while I reset this wheel and put Dawn on it again.
Him to speculate.
Well, the exhibit's admitted. If there are certain words that go towards your direct, you can ask on those.
Okay, thank you. The sticky note down here, can you read the words?
Objection, leading.
Overruled.
Thank you, Judge.
Yeah, Jesus.
Can you read the words?
You can read.
I can read Blake and Hilpus.
Okay. And then there's a sticky note above that. Does that appear to be the word Brandon?
Objection, leading.
Sustained.
What's the word you see above that?
Brandon.
Okay. And do you see a word below that?
Yes.
And if you want to spell it, that's fine.
ANGO.
Okay. And then
Riley. Holy mackerel. Riley, not enough. Oh my God. Not two? Riley! Lord. Okay. Y'all. I gotta keep playing this guy. I gotta write Riley. Shane is hitting me with whatever this guy's doing, the light show. Shane's in the house too. Y'all, oh God. Yo, I might have to end the YouTube stream because it's about to get crazy over here. In fact, how long have we been on? 1 hour and 19 minutes. Yeah. Y'all, YouTube, if you can, head over to TikTok, y'all. They're going crazy over here. And I gotta I'm gonna have to see what the heck's going on, y'all, and I don't want to ignore you guys. So don't worry, I'll be back on YouTube tomorrow, picking back up. But y'all come hang out over on TikTok. I'll talk to you guys soon. Take care.